And now we're moving on to the leg crossbar pieces, where we're gonna machine the half lap joints on either side. And what I need to do for this one is I need to get my stop block and I need to clamp it on this side so that the furthest I can go in is the inside of my line. So I will bring the stop block so that it is lined up with the inside of the line. Then I can clamp my stop block in place, double check that everything's in the right spot, and this way my first cut will be butted up against the stop block, and then I will just slowly move it away until I'm no longer cutting on the piece. Then I can flip around and do that again, and then continue it on my second piece. So I'll bring you in closer just to show how I'm lining up the stop block. So here my stop block is installed. This is my leg crossbar piece. And if I bring it all the way into the blade, the right side of the tooth just touches the inside of my line here. So this way I know my first pass will be right at the line, and then I can move it a little bit further away and a little bit further away until my piece is fully moved past the blade. Then what I'll do is I'll rotate my piece 180 degrees around and do the same thing. You really want to make sure that all of your layout is done correctly so that you're taking away from the same side of the piece. So I'm taking away material from this side as well as this side. I'll show you how that looks right now. Now we have our 4 leg pieces and our 2 leg crossbar pieces with matching half lap joints cut into them so that they can fit like so. And it will probably take up just some fine tuning with a file to get this to be a nice snug fit. But it's better for it to be too small than for the joint to be too big, because you can always take away material, but you can't really add any material when it comes to wood. Now you can move on to drilling the holes on the ends of the legs.